If you were to tell me the vacation prep is more important than the vacation itself, I wouldn't have believed you. But now, before every trip, the first thing we do is not pack our suitcases. It's secure our home. Because just as much as we prep for the vacation, our home deserves the same type of treatment. That's why we installed Ring, because there's truly no better feeling knowing the home is taken care of. Security first, cleaning and packing second. Dishes are washed and put away, counters are wiped down, laundry is clean, folded, and put away, beds are made, and the home, it's freshened up. One of the ways we strengthen our home security is by installing Ring Floodlight Cam 2K. It's mounted right above our garage, covering our driveway and our cars. And it lets us know the second someone steps on the property. At night, the 2 LED floodlights kick on automatically the second motion is detected, so we can see everything if someone is close. And we added a second layer of coverage by installing Ring's Wired Doorbell 2K. It covers our front entry door, so when someone presses the button, it notifies our phone, and motion alerts lets us know the second someone is at our door. And even when we're away, we can speak with them through two-way talk.
Hey girl, I was in the area and I wanted to stop by and drop some gift sauce for the twins.
Oh my gosh, that is so sweet. We're actually out of town right now, but when we get back, we'll stop by and pick it up next week.
Okay, sounds good. I'll see you then.
Ring's doorbell covers the front door, Ring's floodlight cam covers a driveway, and the Ring app keeps us in the loop. And that's what makes vacation so special. Peace of mind. The house is clean, the bags are packed, the family is excited, and the home, it's protected.